What's going on, y'all, man? Welcome back to another video, man. It is your boy Fatkat, of course, bringing you another one. Wife back there turning on the car, because as you guys know, man, as you guys see the thumbnail and everything else, man, it's been long overdue. We're going to take it back to the roots of when I first started, and I'm going to give you guys some rolling shots today, man. But first, I'm going to do a quick little walk around. I haven't walked around the car in a while. I haven't give you guys any rolling shots of Christine in a while. As far as especially with everything that I've done to the car so far, man, thus far, with all the carbon fiber parts and the tips and everything else, man. So I want to give you guys some rolling shots of how the car looks currently in its current state, because I haven't done that in a while, man. Of course, as you guys know, man, that's what you guys want to see, man. And that's what I want to see as well. So yeah, man, so we're gonna go do some rolling shots of Christine real quick, you know, and do it like when we first started this channel a couple months ago, with a bunch of rolling shots of Christine, man. She is the star of the show, by the way. I've been giving you guys a lot of features and things like that, man, but haven't been giving her any love as far as on the YouTube channel. Let's go and give her some love today, man, because she deserves it, man. So let's go. Let's do a little quick walk around, and then like I said, we'll go do some rolling shots, man. Let's go. So there you guys go, man. So you got some little B-roll shots in there. So real quick, let me tell you guys what I got so far, man. So we got the carbon fiber split in the front. We did add the bars in the front here. If you guys haven't seen that video, man, make sure you guys go check it out. But we got the bars in the front there when I added that. We got the carbon fiber split in the front. Also got the carbon fiber side skirts, of course, all part of the same kit. So you got the carbon fiber side skirts, and then what else do we have that's brand new? Well, not brand new, but you know, it's new since I've talked about it. So we also got the rear diffuser carbon fiber as well, and then of course we got the big ass 5-inch tips in the back, man, which makes her effectively a big booty girl. Look at that, man. That thing looks, whew. Hopefully it comes through the camera, man, but she definitely looks super nice. So 5-inch tips back there, man. A lot of people always ask, I guess a lot of the questions I've been getting on Instagram is, does it change the tone or the sound, things like that? I don't exactly know, because I'm in the car, but I know it does sound a lot more aggressive when I turn it on. Maybe that might just be me, because it looks way more aggressive. So, but it definitely sounds more aggressive when it turns on and when I remote start and things like that, man. So of course we got the side skirts on this side as well, and that's pretty much it as far as the new stuff ever since we've done like the last updated, you know, things on the car and things like that. Make sure you guys stay tuned, because I got something coming up for this right here in this general vicinity. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that, man, because that's going to be coming up here soon, shortly, like in the next probably week or two. So make sure you guys check that out as well, or stay tuned for that. Other than that, man, that's pretty much it, man. She's not 100% clean, you know, the way I usually keep her. My wheels a little bit, you know, they're not dirty, but they're not 100% the way I like to do them, you know, when they're super nice and shiny and everything else. But, you know, it'll work for this video. You guys know how I keep her anyway. So She is going to be getting washed up pretty good on Saturday because we got a good show to go to on Sunday. As a matter of fact, that's a good time to tell you guys, man, that on Sunday, this Sunday the 7th, I will be at Summer Vibes, and I'm gonna put the flyer in right now. So there you go, man. So on July 7th, this Sunday, I will be at Summer Vibes, which is in Ybor in Tampa, man. So come out there, say what's up, man. Say, you know, come up to me, man. If you got, you know, anybody who's met me already knows that I'm super approachable. I don't turn anybody away. On top of that, if you are a YouTuber, man, and you know, you got some questions for me or whatever, or you know, a starting YouTuber anyway, make sure you come up to me, man. Don't be scared to come up to me and ask me some questions, poke my brain a little bit. I got, you know, I will answer your questions to the best of my ability, and as far as what I think might be, you know, my opinion on certain things. Again, you guys know I'm not the biggest YouTuber, but for starting out, man, and like I said, I got no problems with helping you guys out, man. So if you're a YouTuber, man, or if you're a starting YouTuber and you want to ask me some questions, man, please come up to me. Don't be afraid to come up to me and ask me any questions, man, because I'll definitely help you out as much as I can. Or if not, man, just hit me on my IG, on my DMs on my IG, man, and I answer your questions that way, man. But anyway, other than that, man, enough talking. Like I said, this Sunday I'll be at Summer Vibes in Ybor City. Other than that, let's take this show on the road, man. Let's get some rolling shots of Christine, man. That's what we came here for, right? Let's go. And there y'all go, man. Got a couple rolling shots in there, man. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I know it's been a minute, man, since we've done that, or since I've done that, and you guys have seen that, man. So hopefully you guys enjoyed some of those rolling shots, like the good old days 3 months ago, from whatever, 4 months ago. So I know I promised you guys those couple rolling shots, man. So like I said again, hopefully you got, man, what's up with my shirt? By the way, it's my Universal Studio shirt. Anyway, man, so again, hopefully you guys enjoyed that. Shout out to my wife and Gianni, man, my middle son, who goes out there with me, driving around to get some of these shots, man. So I don't think I've ever thanked them before, but they are the ones that are behind the scenes, getting those clips for me and getting those shots for me, man. So appreciate them for going out there and supporting me, and you know, getting them out the house and everything else, or coming out the house to be able to roll around the block real quick to go do that, man. So anyway, so yeah, man, so that's it. So we got like I said, we got a couple carbon fiber pieces, as you guys see, man. Those are from carmarca.com. It's going to be, I'm gonna pin that comment. I'll put it in the description, and I also pin the comment for the website. If you don't know how I came about getting those pieces, man, the kit, basically, go back and watch my video. It says this is one of the biggest blessings of my life, and it'll give you the whole rundown, the whole story of how I came about getting this kit, because it was incredibly it's an incredible story, man. So make sure you guys go back and watch that video. If this is your first video, if you watched of me, go back and watch that video again. It's titled this is one of the biggest blessings of my life. Anyway, it wasn't too long, probably like a week or two ago, I posted that video. Anyway, man, so make sure you guys check that out if you want to hear the story of how I got this kit. Anyway, other than that, let me see what else is there. That's pretty much it, man. We got a couple more things coming up. I got a big, well, actually, so Sunday, remember, Sunday, July 7th, I will be at Summer Vibes, man. So make sure you guys go to Summer Vibes. If you want to go, you know, come up to me, say what's up. And I mean, it's gonna be a dope show. Don't go just for me. It's gonna be a dope show all around. It's free admission, man. It's an e-board. So it's my first time. It's my first time going, but I've heard people that have, you know, I've talked to people that went there before, and they say it's a super dope show. A lot of cars, a lot of people, and everything else, and it's a really good time, man. And like I said, it's free admission, man. So just go over there, hang out. And then, like I said, and please, if you see me around, I'll be there. So if you see me around, man, make sure you guys come check me out. Say what's up. You know, Woman.Driven will be there as well as some other guys as well, man. So anyway, like I said, make sure you guys come check us out. We'd love to talk to you guys and say what's up, man. Anyway, other than that, man, that's pretty much all I got, man. I got a lot of plans still coming for Christine, man. We are not done, man. We still got a lot of things coming. So make sure you guys hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Hit that notification bell as well, because you don't want to miss what's going to happen, man. Like I said, I got a lot of things coming, man. A lot of plans. Anyway, other than that, like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. And as you know, oh, there goes my son Johnny right there. Look at that. And as you know, man, I'm your boy Fatkat, man. And we'll see y'all in the next one, man. Later.